ChatGPT has been refusing to copy the voices and styles of popular authors. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. If you follow tech, you must have seen plenty of posts on social media about the chatbot not letting users mimic specific authors' writing anymore. Ars Technica reports that the chatbot didn't comply with its prompts to imitate the styles of both living and dead authors during testing. That means OpenAI has recently changed how it deals with such requests, as a recent study by publication No Latency showed that ChatGPT didn't refuse them for dead authors. After testing the chatbot, it found R's observations consistent with the results. When asking ChatGPT to copy the style of Agatha Christie for a mystery story about a woman investigating the sudden disappearance of her husband, the chatbot simply replied it couldn't do what was being asked for. The chatbot responded, "Agatha Christie's works are still under copyright, so I can't provide text that closely imitates her distinctive style." However, it did provide with writing possessing qualities Christie's known for. ChatGPT said, "I can certainly write something with those characteristics while remaining original." The fact that the AI chatbot still offers to write something with the same qualities an author is known for makes it seem like its refusal to copy Christie's style, so the refusal was basically just like a disclaimer and not a hard no. Indeed, this could be a change OpenAI has adopted in order to avoid getting into more legal trouble and to dodge more copyright lawsuits than it's already facing. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.